Hello, everyone. It's Pasha and Igor, and we are coding in
Hello.
Kotlin again. We are
Again.
coding means Igor is coding, and I am trying to be not to be too annoying.
Yeah.
Anyways, well, this is a pre-recorded episode, which is kind of fair. We are trying to do it as fair as possible. It's almost like live. The only difference is we can't read your comments. Still, if you will put them into the comments, whatever, on YouTube, on Twitch, we will read them later and maybe even answer next time. We'll see. So, by the way, Igor, we are live.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Yeah. Wow. You're so smart. So, what we did last time, we tuned physics a little bit. What else? We played a bit with viewports.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much everything. Let's launch our thing and show what we have.
You said you did some stuff off screen, right? So do I need to do git pull first, maybe?
No.
Okay.
Don't do git pull, because we'll pull my changes later. Because if you will pull changes, you will immediately get the new map. So
okay.
We had this annoying thing. Could you please find those places you cannot move through? Yeah, this one. Like, what the hell? You weren't able to do it for like 10 minutes last time, and we even decided to redraw the whole thing. So, anyways.
Now it's broken again. It's like lag based. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's hard. There are hard places. It's actually too tough, and also you cannot jump into the top right corner, where we theoretically have our exit from the level, right?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, it's very annoying.
Okay, it was really annoying. So now you can pull, but folks, you can see that camera follows the peak, which is our character, and when the window is resized, aspect ratio shouldn't be broken. But yeah, it's impossible to jump in the top right corner. So I have drawn completely new map today out of the screen because it's not actually reprogramming. Igor, could you please pull git pull?
Yeah.
Git pull.
Git pull. Yeah. All right. So I did.
I'm not sure what changed. I had to, but I made sure that the game is like I can pass the game. I can pass the whole level. So I had to tune physics a bit. It was only about friction, restitution. You can see that I added a very small restitution to our hero, 0.01.
Oh yeah, restitution. Okay.
Yeah, so it's made for it not to stuck on the walls in the horizontal state. It will jump out of them for, I don't know, 1/10 of a pixel, but it's enough not to be stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please launch?
Yeah.
Say again, please.
Yeah, I was just was asking if you want me to show something else before I launch it, or shall I just launch it?
No, let's just try it. I mean, you didn't see the map, right? So you can experiment with it a bit.
Yeah, the diamonds are in a very weird place.
Yeah, of course, diamonds are in completely wrong positions. Well,
I can still stack to the wall.
You still can stack. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Probably we'll fix it later. Probably not.
Let me do that.
So no. let me hint you. Exit is in the top right corner again.
Okay. Oh, what's this?
What's this? I don't know. Some random artifact.
Okay. Okay, so the exit is on the right hand side. Yes.
Yes, top right. Yep.
Oh wow! I did a
wall jump.
Yeah, wall climb even.
Wall climbing, yeah. Actually, I don't know why it happens.
I can do it on the
right side. You failed, but I checked that it's possible. By the way, I'm okay. Probably it's not enough restitution to not be stuck on the walls.
Yeah, what is restitution? What does it control? Can you explain
Ramp
it?
restitution is jumpiness.
Jump what?
Jumpiness.
Jumpiness.
How much do you jump when you hit something? Jump back, like balls.
Okay. It's very annoying. Okay. Yeah.
And you should And here I checked you cannot wall climb here, or at least I wasn't able to. So and this place we can do some nice exit from the level. For example, explosion could be a nice could be a nice ending of the level.
Yes. Okay.
So now we see that at least the whole thing is you can pass the whole thing, right? I'm not sure if you're happy with your physics though, because I tried to make it work for me. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure like what this restitution is. Can I just try a number and see what's going on? So it's you said it's jumpiness.
Yep.
Not jumping at all now.
Wait, what? It doesn't jump?
At all, yeah.
I don't understand. It shouldn't.
Oh, it jumps. It still can be stuck. Okay, now it's not the same.
Slowly falls from the walls.
Yeah. So our thought was that yay! This is really cool. And viewport.
By the way, our camera can't follow the character on such a high speed.
Yeah.
But at least it took you I don't know 20 seconds to pass the level.
Yeah. I think I don't like I don't feel like I'm in control when I jump, because maybe it's a weird level that's weird jumps, but in general I feel like I'm not.
What do you mean you're not in control? Like too fast?
Yeah, the movement is weird, like when I move left and right.
I mean, for me here, it looks like you are perfectly in control.
Okay.
But I'm not sure. Well, I mean, your feeling as a feeling of the player is the most important thing, probably.
Yeah, I mean, I think that the annoying part for me is that I fall too often here, so it's.
Probably it's about friction. Maybe friction is too low.
Yeah, let's try. Besides friction is between
but
1 and 0
friction
and 1.
is from 0 to 1. So
it's already
we
high.
can try to do it like 0.9. Wow.
What the density?
Now your weight is much higher, and well, you don't have enough power to move it.
It's funny that when I can only move if I press up, so it actually jumps every time I. Yeah.
But wait, so you can't jump, but you can run?
Yeah, you can run, but you can. It's actually right now. It's very interesting. If I just press left and right, I don't move. If I press right first and then jump, then I start moving. But if I press up first and then.
I changed impulses for left and right, but forgot to change the impulse amount for jumps. It's in the physics system.
Yeah. Okay, so here you have impulse.
Yeah, it's 2, and for jump
9.
it's 9. So yeah, jumps. First of all, jumps are significantly more powerful than runs. I'm not sure if it's the correct way to do it.
I mean, given the
Yeah, but probably you should revert the weight back, the density back.
Revert the density.
Wait,
And
why does it jump now? Oh, you have reset it. Okay.
yeah. Like a very annoying.
This one should be really annoying. Like you almost can jump.
Yeah.
I have this idea that I know how can we rate limit our jumps.
Okay. Go on.
What are you doing?
You said that you have an idea how to rate limit the
So
jumps.
yeah, the easiest way to do it is just to have a global variable of the last jump and okay, nice hack. No,
the
I started
last jump.
thinking. So yeah, not global timer. We already have a system-wide timer. It's system current time millis. So we should remember when was the last jump performed, and if the delta between current time and last jump is more than something, for example, 500 milliseconds, then we can jump, and we update the timer. Otherwise, we can't jump. If I remember correctly, we have an object called game state.
Ooh, do we?
I think
was it here or was it in we definitely
game state above the main, one item above the main.
Okay.
Yep.
Score. Okay.
Okay, so we can actually jump time. I don't know. Let's jump equals system.current time millis. System from current from lowercase. Yep, this one.
Obviously.
Well, yeah. Classes are started from the capital letter. Method are started from the lowercase letter.
All right. So now what we want to do with the jumps? Press up.
When we press up and linear velocity, we need to add one more predicate here. What's going on?
Can I put them on every separate lines?
Oh, I'm not sure. But you can do it manually. Just hit enter before.
But
yeah.
If I wanted to do it manually, I wouldn't use an IDE, right?
True. I mean, it's even more interesting that we have this for arguments of function or functions or constructors, but we don't have it for anything else. So yeah. Here we should add one more predicate and system current time millis.
System.
Minus game state, yeah. Last jump time 500. It's milliseconds. And then we apply linear impulse and we update the game state last jump time. you have closing parents you don't need. Cool. Here,
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Okay,
Let's try to jump under the low bar and see if it works. By the way, folks, probably comparing system to current time millis is a wrong idea from programming standpoint because it's not a monotonic clock.
Yeah, I think you should think about
You should use nanotime probably and multiply it by 1,000.
Yeah. Right.
First of all, please try to jump under this bar.
Under.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I
now it's now it's a little bit better.
Yeah. So I have my up button. What is this thing? You see this, right?
Yes. This gray thing.
Yeah.
I don't care. I have some ideas, but I'm not sure.
Can I?
You
I
still
wonder
can
if I can
stick
jump
to the walls somehow.
Yeah. What I really want, I think what I want to have is to like press shift and then have shorter steps.
Hmm.
Do you think it's hard to add something like that?
No, it shouldn't be. It should be simple.
Let's do that, please.
What do you mean by shorter steps? Like
slower. I just want to
basically applying less force, right?
Yeah, I want to move. I want to apply less force if I'm holding down shift.
Okay, so
the problem is that I would probably want to have it here, right?
That's fine. So your impulse X, for example, you can put it right here.
Yeah.
Inside apply linear impulse. If input is key pressed shift, not just pressed, is key pressed because yes, shift.
Okay.
But do you remember we have shift used for our attack?
We use control for our attack.
Probably we should revert it. Or you can use control, for example.
Yeah, but like right now we use control for attack. Not
okay. That's fine then. You also forgot about parents around if expression. You actually can put this as the first argument, the whole thing.
The first argument?
Yeah, first.
Like this?
Yes, 2F, else, for example, 1F.
No, it's the other way around, actually. If it's pressed, then it's 1F. If it's not, then it's 2F.
And comma? What's wrong?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Put argument on separate lines. No, nothing is wrong. It's fine.
No, it's something is underlined by the red thing.
One more.
Yeah. You don't need this point all.
Okay.
You can do the same for right.
Yes. Put arguments on this line. Put it here. -1 else -2. Why? Okay. Yeah.
Let's try it. Does it work?
I don't know. I don't see that.
Yeah, for example. Still the same?
Yeah, almost. almost the same, maybe even less. I wonder if it actually gets, yeah, it gets registered, right? So this is me without shift. This is me with shift. Okay.
Okay, now you don't have enough power to run, which makes sense.
Definitely that works. Okay, 0.3.
3. Yep.
Yeah, also I think the case that it's not the inputs that I want to add, it's the top speed that I want to limit.
Oh, makes sense. But you have this. You can change it. You have it in a variable, if I remember correctly.
So would it be here when I do the cup? Wait, it's the one when we do the cup.
Oh, and you have this HLJK. I don't even remember what they're responsible for.
It's we're trying to figure out what's the optimal cap value for that.
Yeah, but I kind of feel that we are already somewhere there. Somewhere close to realistic physics. So, well,
So we maybe
where do you apply these caps?
Here.
Oh, here.
So if the key is pressed like that, then
it should be like cap divided by 2 by 4. But cap is value, not variable. On you, yeah.
Yeah,
what's the second place? Oh, you don't have it. Okay, cool.
And maybe then I don't actually need to do the here. Oof. Now it's very jerky.
Whoa, what's happening?
Well, it's
like it spontaneously slows down, furiously slow. No.
I think that.
Yeah, capping is too hard actually. It drops speed for like order of magnitude in one iteration. That's why it's so sloppy. I'm not sure if you really want to cap it or you want to change the force.
Like here, I want to be able to have a smaller steps.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Maybe it's again about applying force, not impulse. Forces, not impulses. Like longer you hit the left or right, the longer the more power your force. the more powerful force is applied.
Oh, I got here.
Yeah. It should be actually an Easter egg.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably the whole game consists only of Easter eggs, but that's fine.
It's very
meditative.
Weird.
Yep, it is.
Right. I understand now. That happened because of the rate limiting.
Wait, what? Say it again. I thought that it's because of friction and force applied to the object.
I mean, see how it jumps only like weirdly, and that's because of rate limiting. Never mind. Yeah, I'm getting distracted by all these things that we added. What we actually wanted to add here?
I mean, what I would like to do if you are more or less happy with physics, then I would really think about adding, well, first of all, reading about Sin 2D and implementing an end screen.
Yes. Now I can't do anything. Yeah, I can't. Yeah. Oh, this is very annoying.
I like this place. This place in the level I actually like. That you cannot just do a random jump and save yourself. You will actually fall. What's interesting, when the friction was lower, and it kind of gives you a hope that you can save your hero, but you can't.
Terrible.
So yeah, I am an awful game designer, sorry. Or level designer, at least. It was a game also.
I hate that it sticks to the walls.
Yeah, I actually don't know why it happens. It's something, it should, let's make the friction lower. Let's make the friction right here at 0.4, for example. Okay, 0.2 work too. You still stick to the walls, right?
Yeah.
Well, what if you will do it 0? It could be 0.0 as well. Yeah, now you don't stick. But now you won't be able to pass the level, right?
Yeah.
And also you slide. Or kind of skate.
Skater peak. Damn it. It's impossible to make even the first jump.
Well, games without friction are hard. Good things require some friction.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay. So you just proven my point. Without friction, it doesn't work.
And
so you need some friction.
Have the vertical elements to have a friction of 0, and for the horizontal ones have a friction of something reasonable.
I don't know how to write it, because like the whole body has friction.
Can I have, if my feet is not touching the ground, logic?
Yeah, that's how I implemented that. You cannot stick to the sailing anymore. Do you remember some hours ago we were sticking to the sailing? Now it doesn't work because we have this ground contact. It's somewhere in let's open the player state. No, what is player state component? Can you please navigate to its constructor? Yeah, on the ground. Do you have this? Do you see this on the ground?
Yeah.
Now you can control click on it and see its usages, or Alt Shift 7. For me, it's 7. Probably for you, it's something different.
7 for me, it's hard.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, here it uses.
So physics system says in some moments that you are staying on the ground, but it's a hacky thing. Look. So let me try to explain how it works.
Yeah.
Could you please close the right part, which is main? Yeah, thanks. So, oh, it's a different place, right? Yeah, it's a different place. Yeah, thanks. So of course, it works only if one of colliding objects is wall and the second colliding object is player, obviously. And you can see that we compare body position Y and body A position Y and body B position Y. So it's kind of says that if the wall's position is lower than player's position, and if we have the contact, then we set the property on the ground to true. But it's not the right way to do it, because position of the wall is a very abstract thing.
libktx don't stack to the walls.
Okay. All bodies suck. All bodies suck. You know what's funny? This GDX or this box2d is kind of popular thing. It's being used massively from C++ code, and it means that lots of people fight this kind of problems.
Or maybe we're just very lucky.
That, well, what do you mean? Are we the first people to create platform arcade?
Yes.
Sure.
That's why.
I actually like that Google shows you this hint, or the go getting help. Like, dude, you need the help, really.
Yeah.
I mean, see a doctor or something.
Stuck with the problem, multiple animations. Wait, which subreddit is that? libktx. Oh, there is a whole subreddit dedicated to libktx.
Okay. Wow. Now I admit that that's a serious stuff we are playing with.
Yeah. Yahoo isn't your search engine. Okay.
Oh wait, it's subreddit. For a second I thought that it's a stack exchange for libktx. It would be really cool. Right.
Yeah, friction wall. No. Isn't push back along the ground? What shapes of composition? Collision between dynamic body. Wait. Sorry. I have an issue with my sound. Can you mute me for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
And actually, just hide my screen first.
Hide your screen. Done.
Yeah. Thanks. I have sound somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back. Sorry.
We are back.
Yeah. So.
Okay, what we can do, can you please show me what contact has? I mean, what properties does the contact have in our end contact method?
What properties the contact has in our end contact method?
Like
contact
dot children friction is touching.
Is touching.
World manifold. What the hell is?
Yeah. What?
For me, it's Control Q to read the quick documentation. Oh, okay. There is no quick documentation. Nice. And they just call a native method.
This is just amazing.
Okay. Let's get back to our contact.
Yeah. So what I was thinking to do, that we can try to understand that we're touching the wall. If we're touching the wall, what is the wall here? What the A is wall?
You can see this. You can control click is wall, or control B is wall. It's just an extension method. We check user data of the body.
Is the floor the wall or not?
Yes, they all are the walls. All are walls.
That's not cool.
And I don't know how do I distinguish them programmatically when I create them. They're just rectangles for me.
Yeah.
So what I wanted to extract from the contact is a contact point.
Contact point. Okay.
I am not sure, but it's not there, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, libgdx coordinate of contact. Could you Google for it?
But it's box2d, right? Or the
Yeah, it's box2d. Or yeah, it's box2d. But probably libgdx is better because we will read examples in Java or something. But for now, I don't see any relevant results. Shoot.
contact listener.
Coordinate.
No, I mean it's very. It's. You're right that you feel like it's something that is not. Maybe we're trying to make it too hard or too stupid. Or we are too
Second,
stupid. We are too stupid and we're making it too hard. That's what I'm saying.
yep. There is also this contact listener. Probably we can do something with it. Also, we can ask ChatGPT.
Create world, create collision,
Collision
begin
listener.
contact, begin contact. Okay.
But it's again, we already have this contact. Resolve.
Yeah, this is very silly. Ground box resize render.
Is it question or answer? It's a question, right?
This is an answer.
No, it's already answered. I mean,
Yeah.
that's an awful amount of code for an answer.
It's just a contact detection here. It doesn't really do anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Touch coordinates. It's okay. It's touch coordinates. Doesn't really matter. For
And
us.
nothing else matters. Let's ask
Yeah.
ChatGPT. I mean, at this point, I'm kind of ready. Oh, GPT-4, nice. Nice.
Stuck at wall. I have a Kotlin code, right? Kotlin
Yep.
code using libgdx, and my dynamic body gets stuck to the walls.
Under the pressure.
I don't like that. Not just friction restitution. We need
It's kind
that.
of smart. It's already figured out that you're using box2d. Continuous
Use
collision
the
detection.
shape. Continuous collision detection.
Is it bullshit, or is there really such a thing as continuous collision detection? libgdx? No, it's bullshit. I mean, issue with ChatGPT.
Continuous collision detection.
Okay. But it's separate.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't have anything in common with our situation.
Okay.
Update to the latest version. Thank you. Attrition and restitution. So it sticks to the walls at the friction point 1, right?
Yeah.
We can make it even smaller.
Friction, okay. Body sticking to the walls, you might want to reduce the friction value. Bounce, it ranges from 0 to 1. Increase the restitution. Okay. I have my, no, I closed the window.
Shoot. But you should be able to reuse it. What? Where is it?
Just wait a second.
Okay.
Yeah, here I want to, what should I use for? When I set friction to 0, friction of my player fixture to 0, I don't stack the walls, but then I glide too much.
Glide. I like this word.
Okay.
Thank you, ChatGPT. Useful as always. Bounciness. I called it jumpiness, right?
Friction value of walls themselves. No, yeah, suggest that we change that.
We actually can. Well, it's the same. Reducing the friction of walls and friction of the hero is basically the same, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, because the real friction will be something in between. I don't know, mean or average or something like
So
that.
where is the? It's in main, right?
It's mean.
Where we set the friction. No, we set it only here. So this is the hero. And where is the world? Tile map, shaky camera, tile map, reader, map.
What?
Where do we set the friction of the walls?
Oh, in physics system, because we create walls in physics system.
Hmm. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
So we say this is equals to 0.1. And then here we say back to 0.8.
No, so it's the same. More or less, it's more or less obvious.
Yeah. I really don't like this behavior.
I'm trying to Google if we can somehow have different friction on different surfaces. Different surfaces.
See, even with restitution set to 0.9, and when it jumps like this idiot, we still don't get. We still can stack to the walls.
Yeah, so it's completely unrelated thing. I see.
The restitution is definitely not something we want to adjust. Could you stop? Our king is very sad about the jumping.
So high restitution is not something you probably want to have.
Yeah. And we had density of 3.
Yeah, but the density won't change anything either. I mean, you will become heavier. You'll have to apply more forces.
Yeah. Really like the density of 1 because then it's just easy to calculate everything.
Yeah, I mean, at least it's playable, kinda, sorta.
Yeah, let's actually forget about this and go to changing the scenes.
Okay,
Take a look at that.
so I would propose to read about scene to D. Because scene to D is something about changing scenes. libktx, or just, yeah, well, oh, you already have some tutorial.
It's from 2012. Oh
So
my
yeah,
God.
it's kinda 11 years old.
It's the link. Change.
I would probably read about basic concepts of. Yeah, they have this stage thing. We don't have it. Viewport. We also can read about KTX scene to D. KTX scene to D. I think this one. So look, I will send you a link into the, I don't know, into private. What would you prefer, private chat or what?
Well, I can't open anything. So.
So yeah, if you Google for scene to D KT, open please. Well, actually, first link should be good enough. Yes, and there you can search for scene to D. Yes, scene to D. Okay, we're already there. Nice. What do we have in the examples? I like this scene to D dot label.
Dot label.
Scene to D table. I don't understand how do we. Oh, scene to D is just. I don't even understand what scene to D is.
Yeah, it's what? Stage is a crucial part of scene to D.
Do we have
I don't know.
Let's open main, because if it's somewhere, it's in main.
Yeah. We start with, this is the first screen, which is a KTX screen. And where do we use that? We add screen and then we set screen.
Yeah, we at some moment we can probably put some sensor inside this hole where our king falls.
Yeah.
Create just a random objects there, put a sensor on it, into it, and then call set screen on contact with this sensor.
Yeah, but we still need the screen, right?
The first stage is just to create a new screen, right?
Yeah. So we can say plus second screen.
It's KTX screen, yeah, something like that. Is that all?
Yeah.
Seems like that.
Well, camera, map camera maybe is the.
But we don't really need camera in there, right? Well, at least at first.
Maybe, yeah. The resize report.
We don't even need the resize. I mean, we probably don't need anything. We have to draw simple screen in it. Do you have
how
override something?
Override init, I guess, or just init.
Init is initialization of different things. Render, yeah. We actually they have this render. I've read fun render. Yeah, this one. But we don't have Vault there, so we should create Vault, probably.
Or we can just
copy paste the code from rendering system. We need only the simplest thing, like clear screen. Could you please open rendering system on the left? And go to on tick. Yeah, we need this clear screen function.
Clear screen. Okay.
We don't even need on tick itself. So it should do the trick. Anything will work.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that it's something different. Second screen, and we want to say
sure.
that
add screen, second screen. And here we can change to second screen too.
Just to test that it's working.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
It works.
And annoyingly green, just as I wanted.
Surprisingly.
Yeah. So what do we do now? How do we change?
Say again, please.
How do we use it in our world?
So my idea is find coordinates of sensor, create a body in there. And when our hero contacts with the sensor, we will call set screen. Or at least we will try to call set screen.
So before doing that, I suggest we just do it for when he touches the diamond. Because we already have diamonds, right?
Yes, true. Could you please search code for diamond? We already have it. I already see it. It's line 77.
Okay, yeah. Take if type static body.
Oh yeah, actually after to remove add diamond, we can straight call set screen. Second screen. And curly, like this. But we don't have create set screen here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is something we have to read about. How do they? Could you please open set screen signature or something?
How do I do that?
Control click.
Control click. Okay.
GD. What is it? It's in KTX game. Interesting.
Yeah.
So we have to look KTX, change screen. Switching screen, KTX up. What they propose is to save a reference to KTX game, but then we will have to pass it down the. Okay, we actually can make KTX game injectable. So yeah.
How?
Let's do it this way. So, first of all, could you please first of all, on the right side where you add first screen, could you please add an argument this for first screen? Add screen, first screen of this. Yes. Now I'll enter on this this add a parameter to constructor first screen. It will be of change it type, please. It should be not main but KTX game.
I don't really understand what you're trying.
Now we change type of it. Type to the right. Yes, thank you. Control A or select everything in it and type KTX game. From the capital K. Yes, this one. Nice. And you should add triangle brackets to it and add KTX screen inside. KTX screen, yes. And now you can call refactor. And now your first screen contains a reference to the game itself. Now, please go to the where do we define our injectable things? No, on the right side. In the main, we have injectables. You can search by inject /inject. Yeah, injectables. Yeah, you can add. It won't be this, right? It won't be this. It will be how did we call the argument main, right? I believe this is it. And now you on the left side you can use game. It was almost right. It was about right. Game, but KTX game from the capital K. What's wrong? Alt enter. Import. What's wrong with it? Oh, KTX game of KTX screen, right? I forgot that it should be parameterized. Yes, and now you can call game dot something in the place with diamonds. Game dot set screen. Yes, and now you can import a second screen. Hopefully it will work now. Do you understand what we did?
No.
Okay, so we have this.
Go on. No. You're not going to explain?
No, I'm going to explain, but yeah, it works. So now I can explain. Look, could you please navigate to the top of the main, more or less top, where we define this reference to main? Yeah, and then navigate to the constructor of first screen.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, thank you. So now first screen contains a reference to KTX game. Changing screens is a responsibility of the game, of the whole game, right?
Yes,
so
I guess.
So what we did in create, we passed a reference to the game itself, and now this KTX game can be injected into any service. That's what we did. Now it's injected into the physics system, and when we contact the diamond, we call game.setScreen. Is it clear now?
Yeah, conceptually wise, it's clear. It's just that all this
jumping
angle brackets and the fact that we
have I don't know actually why
something weird with the refactor screen that was
true. I actually don't know why KTX game is parameterized by anything. Probably it can be not only KTX screen. Probably there are multiple screens, different screens.
Yeah.
But well, we live with it. What can we do?
Yeah.
So
it's very inconvenient that you have to.
I'm not sure if you have stamina to add more bodies and sensors and so on.
No, frankly, I'm not. I think that the tiling, it's a bit annoying that we have to do it in the code, and I'm surprised that there is no way for tiling map to have a particular exit and then have it on a separate layer and then have some logic inside.
We totally can put some object on our tiled map.
Yeah, I would rather do that.
But what's next? You still have to somehow switch screens.
Yeah, but then you don't need to hard code the position inside.
Oh, that's what I do with Hero actually. If you will see how we are looking for Hero, we have a separate layer on our map called Hero, and there is an object. We just get coordinates of this object. Yeah. So we take the first, because I know that it's the only object on our Hero layer. We get its coordinates.
The question: can we have walls on a separate layer?
walls,
Yeah.
they are on a separate layer.
No, we have walls and ceiling
floors.
and like floors as well. But
Uh,
if we,
what can stop us from having walls on a separate layer? Of course we can.
because then if we have it, we can just set.
Oh, your idea is to make everything vertical. Well, no, it won't work. Sorry, because
Why?
for some walls you can stand on them, and
Yeah, but then
on
it's
the
floor.
top. Yeah, but on the other hand, for example, we have this angle like. Could you please launch the game? You can see on the right top of our screen we have this angle-like wall. It's
Okay.
wall. It's a wall and the floor at the same time. Probably you will have to comment this out.
I can do it.
Otherwise, it looks like an instant death. Now you have to be extra careful. Friction is too high.
Yeah.
Slash set screen. Yeah, this one.
Let's actually commit this first, and then you can explain that it's. Oh, what did I do? No. Why? How? What?
You have the terminal on there, right?
We added the rate limit for jumping. We did some stuff here. Don't think that restitution is necessary. Here, this is the second screen. Let's took that. This is slowing down. So actually did quite a lot. So let's say.
Yeah, I mean, it was a rich episode.
So green screen. Yay. Yeah. So yeah, what I'm thinking is that maybe walls can be on a separate level, and then we can set a friction to walls, and then maybe things that are on top that has to have friction can be on a separate level as well. And maybe we should not design our level with walls in mind. Like you shouldn't stand on the walls. No?
Yeah, probably, but it sounds hacky, doesn't it?
Well, no. For me, it doesn't really. I think it sounds better than having to figure out what is the wall in the code.
I mean, yeah, true. I still think that there should be just we can somehow improve the standing on the wall algorithm. It should be totally doable. I just don't know how yet. We should. Oh, well. If we can extract borders of bodies, we can compare players' borders and
That
walls borders.
sounds like a lot of work. I think that having walls on separate level and then setting them as 0 to 0 friction is much more reliable. I don't understand why you're so objecting this.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds hacky, and I want a clean solution. But you're probably
Yes,
right.
the solution that you suggested doesn't really sound clean. Yeah, I need to think about this. Maybe.
I know. Okay, I will update it. We need to do something very similar to what you do. We just need two kinds of entities on our walls layer, and well, we will have tile size of our wall not 32 by 32 but 16 by 16, and this way we can make much smaller tiles with of one kind with friction 0 and of another kind with friction whatever we want.
Yeah, that sounds good. and also maybe friction on the top part of actually doesn't really that unreasonable.
Yep.
So yeah, if you did not understand what we were talking about, tune in next week, and we will try to continue doing this with pigs and walls and running pigs into the wall. And
By
not
the way,
sticking.
does the web version work?
Let's see.
It's libktx. Yep.
This one here should have a proper new level. Yes.
It actually
And
works.
even
Wait, did you comment? Did you commit it with changing screens, and now you'll just change to the green screen and that's all?
yeah, but how did I? The jumping doesn't work in the
Wait, what?
Well,
Why?
it doesn't work.
Does it work
weird.
in the desktop version?
No, it doesn't allow me to jump horizontally.
Wait.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Well, you did it. Okay, folks. Thanks everybody, and see you when we see you.
Bye.